So this is how to fix can't install Boomplay app or can't download Boomplay app problem. So what you have to do is to head straight to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. After that, what you have to do is to tap on the profile at the top over here at the top right corner. So tap on it. When you tap on it, tap on the settings. Then you tap on network preference. After that, tap on app download preference and make sure your app download preference is on over any network. As you can see, it's on over any network. Then you tap on OK. After doing this, head straight to your phone menu again and try to search for your phone settings. So when you find it, just tap on it to open it. When it opens, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notifications. Wait, as you can see, it's loading. Then tap on see all apps. You have to wait over here. After waiting, tap on the search app at the top over here and try to search for Google Play Store. So tap on the Google Play Store, then you tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. Now you are done. Go back and try to search for Google Play services. Tap on the Google Play services.